In this video series, we are talking about very important things that we consider, that we have to know during a yoga practice, during we are practicing a yoga sequence. The first thing is self-awareness. Self-awareness. Here there are two words, self and awareness. What is awareness? Awareness is always at something. We are aware at the situation of the country. We are aware of the coronavirus of the country. We are aware of the political situation of the country. But in yoga, we don't consider this. The political situation or whatever else is an idea that you have. That is within your mind. There is a memory. There is a thought pattern, the mental formations that you have. It is not exactly what is happening right now in this moment. Awareness, when I say here self-awareness, awareness is exactly what is happening in this right moment. Whatever you experience in this right moment is the awareness that we talk about. That is the first assumption that we have to consider when we use this word in this discussion. Self-awareness is we are discussing now. Now, when we are aware at something in this moment, you are there, the object is there, you are aware at something, you are aware at this thing. So, the object is there and the activity is there. So, if I say, I am looking at this thing, I am looking at this flower basket. Now the flower basket is the object and the activity is the watching. You are watching it, you are seeing it, and then the subject is there, the person who is watching. The person who is watching is not exactly yourself. This self has been created by yourself, by your thoughts, by your mental formations, by your perceptions. The way you look at this basket of flower depends on yourself. It is different from each other's, because each other has created their selves differently. So these three are there, and when you take this activity, this action, what are the other actions that we can have? Mainly the bodily actions, right? You work with something and then you are running, walking, and then your mental actions, right? Mental actions means you're thinking, contemplating on something. Here also the subject is there, activity is there, the object is there, and you're talking. You are talking on something. Your talking is there. The person who is talking is there. And your sense perceptions. This is also an action. You are perceiving something. You are seeing something. You have the touch sensation. So, in all of these aspects, you have these three things. So, when I say be aware at yourself, obviously we can use the three techniques. You can be aware at whatever you are doing, whatever the activity, or you can be aware of what the object. But here when I say self-awareness, I say the self is the subject. You have to be aware of the person who is doing this. Who is the person? The self that has been created within you. That is the self-awareness we are talking about. Self-awareness. Whenever you are interacting, whenever you have a relationship with others, we always have to relate with others. Relationships. Whenever you interact with others, bodily, mentally, or words, through your senses, be aware of yourself, the knower. In a nutshell, know the knower. This is the self-awareness that we are talking about in yoga. Now, self-awareness is always inward awareness. It is inward, moving towards yourself. Now understand this. Always during the daytime, our awareness is moving outward. We are working with something, work at office, in the school, we are learning or teaching, we are working, walking, we always interact with the external world. But when we practice yoga, our total awareness is not moving outward, it is moving inward. And I said the subject, object and the action. Here the object is also within yourself, and the subject is, of course, it's yourself, and activity is whatever you are doing. So the object is very close to yourself. It is very easy for you to watch whatever you do, and the sensation, the activity, and yourself, the person who is doing. So all are together then. That is what it is, the importance of this. That is what the importance of self-awareness when you practice yoga, because it is easy. Then this is easy for you to do when you interact with others, when you interact with the external world. And when you practice yoga, you have to be aware inward towards yourself. This is very important, and it will cultivate this self-awareness. It will cultivate, this practice will cultivate your self-awareness when you involve with the other activities in your day-to-day time also. When you eat, you are aware. When you walk, you are aware. Whatever the action that you do, you are aware. This is the benefit, this is the target of self-awareness or inward awareness in yoga practice. Thank you.